tools do it, and there's going to be more tools like Hype Auditor. But yeah, you can basically assess how many mass followers. Suspicious accounts are essentially mass followers, but you can't really confirm that they are.
What's the difference between real people and mass
For
followers?
example, my dad has an Instagram account. Okay, he's in his 60s, I believe. He has 5 pictures on his Instagram and maybe 2 followers. That's a suspicious account because
there's no, he's not posting.
Right. It could be.
Not, yeah.
Now, at the very least,
see.
it's not an account that's reading stuff and purchasing stuff. Mass followers are much more obvious because you see the same pictures being used again. Reverse image search it.
Yeah.
That's how that kind of stuff can be estimated. And I believe, I'm not sure exactly how Hype Auditor does it, but I believe they randomly sample the followers. Obviously, followers are public information on Twitter and Instagram, so you can go look at it and basically sample it. You could also scrape it. And that's a whole different thing.